Ryder Bash, we back with the craft, and check it out,
Subscribe
people.
to my channel.
I got about 75% of this craft done, but today we going to just show you how it floats, because I finally got the motor mounted in, everything's mounted in, so I'm going to show you how it floats, and I got the light scheme hooked up a little bit. Yeah, just want to show y'all the progress on the Kraken. So here we go. Let me get it ready. And people, we're running a 3200 mAh 4S 14 8-volt battery pack with the, I believe these are the 1100 kV motor pushing. It's only a 1 turbine in this one. As you know, Medusa has a double turbine, but the Kraken has a single turbine. And we have speed control, 50 amps. So this is just on the lift. We're just gonna lift it, people, right now. So here we go. So it is getting up how it's supposed to get up. Got to deal with the space. If some balloon sizes are a little bit bigger than others. Alright, y'all, Ryder Bash. I was showing you the progress I made. We almost there. Like I said, I gotta make sure I set these balloons at the same exact size and position that they need to be in, so they can all flow equally. And like I said, I have a lot of holes in there that I have to fill up. A lot of not holes, but cracks that gotta be filled up and sealed. So besides that, it's doing what it's supposed to do. We're gonna keep at it, and we should have this craft out any minute. So